Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Kubra KB309 Professional Cordless Clipper. The box comes with some information. It's written at the top that this clipper comes with an adjustable taper and an LED display. At the back it says that the clipper comes with a 3-hour charging time and a 180 plus minutes of runtime. That's quite impressive. Also, there are 4 detachable combs, but we will take a look at them soon. So let's open this box up. You can see the trimmer at the center of the tray. Let's take a closer look. This is a very sturdy looking clipper. The head is quite large, as is expected from a professional grade clipper. Notice the Kubra logo at the top. The power on-off button is at the side here. There's also a lever to adjust the taper of the blades. The blades come with a protective cover as well. Turning the power on shows how much charge is left in this device. In our case, there is 50% of charge left. Let's see what else is there in the box. This is a standard 2-pin power adapter for the clipper. Let's keep this on one side. There is also a cleaning fluid and a cleaning brush. There are also 4 detachable combs designed for all kinds of styles. Finally, there are some documents for the clipper. And that is all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.